Hey guys, it's Shannon. So I love fall. I guess I'm behind because everybody else is throwing their fall stuff out and I hadn't yet. So I finally pulled up some of it, did a very neutral kind of color palette and just made it a little more cozy to bring our home into the fall season. So let me show you how I did it. Start with a clean palette before I get started. So here's a look at the living room with everything stripped down. And then I started with the coffee table, and I always like to add little centerpiece to it, and this nice layering process gives it a lot of texture with the lace and the burlap and the tin. I also added a book for some height, a candlestick. This beautiful clock is from IKEA. There's a piece of reclaimed molding as well as some pumpkins, and then I used cotton to sort of tie everything together instead of using leaves for this fall decor. Next, it was time to dress up this little side table. I added a bit of burlap to the tabletop to give it some texture. I added some wheat stems to this vase that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and also added a string of beads, which I also have a tutorial for. There is a mercury glass beautiful pumpkin from Dollar General last year and a Dollar Tree burlap pumpkin. I also have a tutorial on this Hello Fall sign, and just a little bit adds so much to this beautiful side table decor. In front of the table, I have a cute little farmhouse basket that I folded a blanket from IKEA into, as well as some sweater pumpkins, and then one of my handmade wood signs, which you can find in my Etsy shop, which is crossinmyheart.com. Fall is all about being warm and cozy, so lots of pillows and blankets I love to add to the couch. So we have such a large couch that it's nice to have a couple blankets on there. So I added one from IKEA to the side, and then I wrapped one of our existing pillows with this Thankful wrap that I got at Hobby Lobby. So you can even use existing pillows and dress them up to match your different holidays and seasons. Walmart actually had some beautiful natural pillows this fall season that were only $5, $5 to $6, and so I picked a couple of those up this week. This beautiful blanket is one of my favorites. I found this at Hobby Lobby. It has a beautiful plaid print, and I added that with one of those Walmart pillows. This one actually reads, "Thankful, Grateful, Blessed." The other end table is quite a bit larger, so I had a little bit more room to add some more decor. I have a tutorial on this little pedestal table. I added another one of my handmade wood signs, another strand of those farmhouse garland beads that I love so much, and also some more of the cotton stems that really have just helped pull the whole look of the living room together. To the other side, I also added a natural pumpkin with fairy lights, a burlap pumpkin, a wood bowl with a pillar candle in it, and it sort of all just flows nicely along with the mercury glass lamp. And last, I added a coordinating cotton wreath to the front door. So another thing that I love to add to our home during the fall and winter seasons is a humidifier. And LEVOIT was great enough to send me one to review and share with you guys. Now, I have to say, it's already been used. My son went back to school, he started kindergarten, and 3 days into school already, he already has a cold. So this has already been up in his room and helping him with that. So there's lots of great reasons to use humidifiers in your home. And this one has some great features, so let me show you all about it. So this machine has a huge capacity. It has a 5.5 liter tank, which allows for 20 to 30 hours of continuous use. You can also set this on warm or cool mist. It also has a nice night light that you can turn off or on. It has 5 different levels for mists, which you can set to your own preference and needs. I love the easy to use touch control and a very neat remote control so that you can use it from anywhere in your room. So like I said, this is a really great machine, very cool features, and I'm so glad we are going to have it here to use during the fall and winter seasons, and actually year round, but especially during those times. You can actually win one of these for yourself. All you have to do is go over on LEVOIT's Facebook page, and I will have all those details linked in the description box below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you. Share it with your friends and family so you can inspire them as well. Also hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.